Hey, everyone! Today we are diving into everything you need to know before staying at Lanna Kamin Pool Villa at Airport in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Before we start, make sure to use the link or QR code in the description for the safest and best booking rates. This property features private villas, many of which come with their own private pool, making it an excellent choice for those seeking seclusion. You're located near Lanna International School and the flight's landing viewpoint. Major temples like Wat Phra Singh are about a 5 kilometers drive away. With a high review score of 8.9 for value, guests generally feel they are getting a great deal for the luxury experience provided. It is a great spot for families, offering family rooms, a playground, and a dedicated kids' swimming pool. The rooms are well equipped with full kitchens, washing machines, and air conditioning, allowing for a more long-term or self-sufficient stay. While there is an on-site restaurant and barbecue facilities, you can also take advantage of grocery delivery and food delivery services directly to your villa. The property offers free on-site parking and airport transfers, and rental cars are available if you want to explore Chiang Mai independently. The hotel maintains very high standards with professional-grade sanitizing services, room sanitization between stays, and antiviral cleaning protocols. Communication is easy as the staff speaks English, Thai, and Mandarin Chinese, ensuring smooth service for international travelers. Beyond your private pool, the property features an outdoor swimming pool, a garden, and spa/sauna facilities to help you unwind. Lanna Kamin Pool Villa at Airport is a fantastic high-value option if you want privacy and family-friendly amenities in Chiang Mai. Don't forget to use the link in the description to secure your booking safely.